Hello friends, we are going to teach you how to install the battery on a Mac A1398. So it's the model number is Mac Pro A1398. So this my way is a little bit more convenient, and also we do it this way because if you put the battery and you tape it in the wrong place, it's going to be a mess. So my best suggestion is, you need to take this part out. Okay, so you need to take this part out, and then you need to tape it. Everybody asks you to take the part out and then you install it, right? But this is different. Okay, what we do is first we will install the screw. We will fix the screw first. Okay, a little bit soft, loose, not tighted. Install the other screw. Okay, and then you will lift the battery just a little bit. Okay, you see it's still loose. Okay, a little bit. I will tighten it a little bit more. Okay, and then I will lift the battery just a little bit. I will take the plastic, okay, down. Okay, the plastic fell down. Now I can take it down. Okay, like this. I can take it out. So you see the battery is already fixed in place, right? So once I put it down, it will be already in the correct place. So this is much better. You will not make a mistake of putting the battery in the wrong place. Everything is set. Okay, you can just make the screw a little bit tighter to fix everything down. Then you need to connect the wires. Okay, and then you are set. Okay, the battery is fixed already in place, and nothing to worry. Okay, you don't need to worry you will install the battery in the wrong position. So I suggest you to do this. I never seen anybody do this, so this is the most efficient and guarantee you will install the battery in the correct place. Okay, hope you like a video. Give it some thumbs up and subscribe. Wait for more videos. See you next time.